have to see this. Cooey. Come on. Good morning. Oh no, look, that's a bottom and feet. Hang on. Somebody's tail here, look. Good morning. Go away. Go away. You're sleepy. Aren't they lovely? Oh, all sleep in a heap. Trying to get away from the light. So it looks as if there's more than 5 in there, doesn't it? Who's this asleep at the bottom? Hello there. Whoops. Oh, look. Their ears are growing, look. They're getting longer. They were like little pink buds before. Growing ever so fast. There, now then. Back you go. Shit, I'm losing half the fur. Pardon my language. There we go. Mum went to a lot of trouble pulling that out for you. I must put it all back. Right.